When you hear the word disco, your mind probably jumps to bell-bottoms, funky beats, and glittering lights. But indie watchmakers Furlan Marri take us further back in time, right to the 1930s, with their Disco Volante collection. And now, the crown jewel has arrived, the Furlan Marri Disco Volante Diamonds Onyx. The case is a compact 38mm in diameter, under 9mm in height, with a stepped bezel, tucked lugs, and a recessed crown. Finished with a mix of polished and brushed surfaces, it's protected by sapphire crystal on both sides and is water-resistant to 50 meters. But the real magic? The dial. Built on a deep black onyx base, it's refined, clean, and highlighted by subtle, lab-grown, baguette-cut diamond hour markers. They sparkle just enough without overpowering the vintage aesthetic. A small second sub-dial sits neatly at 6, while luminous inserts on the hands ensure legibility. Inside beats the hand-wound Pursue 7001 caliber, an ultra-slim movement with a 42-hour power reserve. Some parts are hand-finished, and the sapphire caseback lets you admire the work. Completing the look is a period-style woven mesh bracelet, perfectly matched to the case design. Prefer something dressier? You also get a black leather strap with pin buckle. Limited to just 100 pieces this year, priced at 3,500 Swiss francs, the Furlan Marri Disco Volante Diamonds Onyx is a brilliant flashback with a touch of modern sparkle. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest watch features. Your support helps us bring you more timepieces worth discovering.